everyone, Happy New Year! 2022 was an amazing year. In addition to launching Regenerate America, we participated in the first ever congressional hearing on regenerative agriculture. But for our first Regen Rundown of the year, we want to kick it off simply with something that everyone relies on and can relate to, which is eating. According to the New York Times, calling yourself a climatarian is so 2022.
Vintage. So adorable.
We're excited to announce that the next coolest thing to call yourself is a regenivore. The article discusses predicted food trends in 2023 and how it will become pretty trendy for chefs to use climate hero ingredients like fava beans. Fava beans add a ton of nitrogen to the soil and are commonly used as winter cover crops. So consumers are predicted to strive to actively heal the planet through what they choose to eat.
That is so fetch.
That's pretty cool. But it did get us thinking. While it's really wonderful that we have publications like the New York Times calling this out, why is it that when we walk into grocery stores, there are hardly any regenerative certified products available? The reality is that we are very early in the regenerative consumer movement. We're in the investment stage or the planting stage, if you will. Right now, more farmers need help transitioning to regenerative ag and need financial backing. So as we wait for the fruits of the regenerative movement, we have to build our own relationships with regenerative farmers and seek out the regenerative brands that we want to support. If you want to tap into your inner regenivore, here's what you can do. Number 1, go to your local farmer's market and see if there is a regenerative farmer there and support them. Number 2, knowledge is power. Simply knowing the term regenerative will help you have a deeper appreciation and a better understanding of what is going on behind the scenes in regen food production. Number 3, do a little research. You can always visit the Regenerate America Coalition page to learn more about regenerative farmers and brands that you can directly support. Remember, start small. You don't have to become a regenivore overnight. In these early stages, even the smallest purchases make a huge difference.